Here's how you can start making money online in 2022 using this highly effective and yet very unique method. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post videos about make money online, but most specifically about affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe because I post content every single week. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about doodly videos. If you don't know what they are those whiteboard animation videos, explainer videos. I'm sure you must have seen them a lot online. They are very popular among internet marketers. You see them a lot on ads. Those videos tend to engage and really connect with the viewers. They tend to turn viewers into customers. All in all, those videos tend to do really well in general. Okay, first of all, I want to specify that this is not some quick BS videos on how to make money online in 10 minutes or 20 minutes. What I'm showing you here is how to build a legitimate online business. So if you're really serious about making money online, follow everything that I'm going to teach you in this video and start taking action as soon as you can. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how to make money using the Doodly affiliate program. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. For example, if somebody has a product that he's selling for $100 and he has an affiliate program and he's offering 50% commission on every sale, then if you make a sale for him as an affiliate marketer, you would make $50 on every sale. This is what affiliate marketing is. And what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to make money using the Doodly affiliate program. And the good thing with Doodly's affiliate program is that it's a recurring affiliate commissions that you're going to earn. So you're not going to earn money only once, but you're going to earn money more than once from the same customer because they have like a monthly plan. So every time somebody signs up under your affiliate link and they pay every month to maintain their subscription, you will make commission every month from that same customer. This is what we call like recurring commissions. This is one of the best ways to earn money online with affiliate marketing, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you go on my computer and we check the Doodly page website, you'll see at the bottom of the page, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, you will see that they have a link for to join their affiliate program. You can click on that. And when you check out their page about the affiliate program, you will see that they pay about 50% commission on every sale. I think they don't write it here on that page, but I know that they pay 50% commission on every sale. So as you can see, they have two pricing plan for their membership. They have like a about $40 a month standard plan, and they have an enterprise plan, which is around $70. And if you can make a sale, let's say you get somebody to sign up under the standard plan, that would be $40. You as an affiliate would earn $20 every month from that same customer, as long as that customer remains a member of Doodly. So I'm going to show you in a few minutes how you're going to drive traffic and start making affiliate commissions through this program. But I just want you to understand what are really the earning potentials for this. Like for example, if somebody signs up under the standard plan, which is $40 a month, you would make $20 for every month from that same customer. Now let's say you get one customer a day. That's $20 every single day, right? Now let's say we go into the second month, and in the second month you get one customer a day again. Then you would make $20 a day plus the $20 from the previous month from those customers that signed up under you previously. And this is like the snowball effect, you know, because you're making commissions every single month from the same customer that you referred a month before. Over time, after 4, 5, 6 months, you will easily grow to like $40 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day. So this is a really cool program to join and to start promoting as an affiliate marketer. And I'm going to show you how you're going to do this very efficiently. You just have to take action and be very serious with it, and you will eventually make money over time. Okay, so how are you going to go about promoting this particular tool? So the first thing you want to do is to sign up for one of their membership plan. either the standard plan or the enterprise plan. Maybe you can pick the basic one, the $40 a month. This is going to be the only investment that you will need to do. Learn how to use the tool, spend maybe a few days, 3, 4, 5 days, learn how to use all the different features that are available in that particular tool, because the way you're going to promote this, you have to show your audience why they should buy this. And I'm going to show you that there is a demand for this particular tool, which is going to make it easy for you to promote this. But first of all, what I would recommend you to do is to sign up for one of their plan, maybe the basic one, and learn how to use the tool for a few days. Become accustomed with it, familiarize yourself with it, and then once you get there, you'll be able to create a bunch of those videos yourself that you can then showcase to your audience, and that will allow them to build trust with you, and they will be more likely to buy from you afterwards. Okay, so that is going to be the first thing. Buy one of those plans. This is the only investment you're going to have to do, and then get accustomed to it. Now the second thing to do is you're going to promote this using YouTube. Why? Because YouTube is, in my opinion, the best traffic there is out there compared to all the other social media websites out there. It's more than just a social site, it's also a search engine. And how you're going to promote this is you're going to create short videos, maybe a few minutes long every single day, and you're going to post consistently on YouTube every day, maybe 1 or 2 videos every day, and you're going to build an audience, and eventually a lot of those traffic are going to buy this tool through your affiliate link, and that's how you're going to make money online. The good thing is you don't have to show your face. You can just screen record your computer screen, showing yourself, showing some of your works. As I've said, learn how to use the tool, create a few videos, and then post some of your videos online. Post 1 or 2 videos on YouTube. Let people see the videos, and at the bottom of each of your videos that you will post on YouTube, there will be your affiliate link that your traffic will click on, and that's how you're going to earn commissions promoting this particular tool. As I've said, you don't have to show your face. Just screen your computer screen, just screen record your computer screen, show how you create some of those videos, show some of your works, and eventually, by posting consistently on YouTube, this is how you're going to build traffic and start earning commission. Just to prove to you that there's really a demand for this particular tool online, if I go inside of my vidIQ Chrome extension, this is like a keyword research tool for YouTube, and I type in the word Doodly, you will see that there is a demand for this particular tool online. People are actively looking for reviews, tutorial of Doodly on YouTube. And if you can consistently create videos and put your videos in front of the right eyeballs, you will start making money very, very quickly. As you can see, there are over 100,000 people searching for Doodly videos online. Doodly reviews, 12,000 searches, very low competition. Doodly tutorial, 8,000 searches every month, also very low competition for that particular keyword. So you can create videos about Doodly tutorials. You can create a review video. You don't have to show your face, just talk about it, just show some of the videos that you would create on the app yourself. And you can post this online and rank for those particular keywords. As you can see, Doodly demo, Doodly tutorials, 25,000 searches, very low competition, how to use Doodly, Doodly whiteboard. So as you can see, there are a ton of people every month searching for Doodly videos, and all you have to do is create those videos, post your videos on YouTube, maybe 1 or 2 videos a day, and really show people why they should buy this tool. And if you can get your videos in front of the right traffic, you will start making sales very, very quickly. As I've said, this is not some BS quick way to make money online. What I'm showing you here is how to really consistently build traffic and start making money online using affiliate marketing, using this particular method. Okay, be consistent with it, post consistently, 1 video a day at least. If you can post it a bit more, that would be even better. But be consistent, stick with it, and eventually you will start driving a huge amount of targeted traffic to your YouTube channel, and you will start making affiliate commissions very, very quickly. One bonus tip I want to share with you is once you've started doing this, what you can do, you can also provide this as a service, maybe on a website like Fiverr or maybe on Upwork.com. And basically what you would do is provide this particular service to other people. And so if somebody wants to have one of those videos made, they can come to you, buy your Fiverr gig, and you could charge them anywhere between $50, $100 to make one maybe 2-minute long video for them. This is another way you can make money using Doodly videos other than doing it through affiliate marketing. Okay, so there you go guys, this is how you can start making money online with Doodly videos through the affiliate program or by offering it as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a like. I would really appreciate it, and it would really help me out. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I post content every single week. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.